Hello everyone. Um, let's move on to the next section. So this section is about creating tensors with random numbers. So this is another method that we can create tensors, which is quite useful in different scenarios. The first function is rand, which creates a tensor with random values, which they are uniformly sampled between 0 and 1. So to do that, we can create it as torch.rand. And here we need a size or a shape for that. So let's create it as 3 by 4 and let's print it. Rand. So it creates a tensor. This is 0.97. This is 79, and this is, I guess, the smallest one is 0.05. So they are between 0 and 1. Another method is rand n, which n stands for normal distribution, which creates a tensor with random values, which they are sampled from a normal distribution between 0 and 1. To create that, we can create it similar to the previous method. So we can say that torch.rand n, and here we need a shape 3 by 4, and let's print it. Print rand n. Okay, so this is actually creates elements because the normal distribution has mean of 0 and variance of 1. Another method is normal. The normal method selects random numbers from a normal distribution with a specified mean and variance. So in the previous one, the mean was in rand n, the mean was 0 and the variance was 1. But here we can define the mean and variance by ourselves. So let's give it a try. To do that, we can say normal equals torch dot normal, and here we need a mean for that tensor. So let's say 0.5, and we need standard deviation for that. Let's say 1.5, and we need a size for that, which we can say size equals, we need to pass it in a tuple, 3 by 4 as previous tensors. And let's print it normal. So here the only difference between rand int and normal is in rand int the mean was 0 and the variance was 1, but here we can define the mean by ourselves and also the variance or standard deviation by ourselves. Another method to create tensor is rand int, which creates random tensors with integer values. So here we can say that rand int equals torch dot rand int, and it requires the lower band, we can say 0, and a higher band, which let's say 5, and also a shape for that, or a size, which we can say size equals 3 by 4. And let's print it, rand int. So a random tensor or matrix with the lower value of 0 and the highest of 5, is excluded. 0 is included, and this one is, the upper bound is excluded, and the size is 3 by 4. Another very useful method is rand perm, which stands for random permutation, which creates a random matrix of permutation of integers between 0 and n minus 1, which n is the upper bound for that. So let's give it a try. So perm equals torch dot rand perm, and for that we need an n. Here let's say 10, and let's print it, perm. So here it gives us a permutation between 0 and 9. So here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so hope it was helpful so far. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.